YouTube channel. I really wanted to start this channel because being a newbie and a novice in the photography business and actually just going out there and practicing a lot, I wanted to show you guys from my perspective because I haven't been in the field very long. I've only been doing this for a few months. So I thought it'd be really cool to start this YouTube channel to get an idea of the photography aspect, but on the beginner side. I'm very excited to start this channel. My goal for this channel was to really provide some tips and tricks, some behind the scenes for the beginner photographer. I just started doing photography January of this year, 2019. So I've really only been doing this for a little bit, but I absolutely love it. I go out there and I practice as much as I possibly can, and I really strive to really learn my camera and learn the settings and learn different styles and kind of find my niche. I actually started modeling as a hobby, and I've always been in front of the camera. So now to be behind the camera, I get a total different perspective, but I feel like it also helps me in my photography because I kind of knew what I liked. So I kind of share that with the models that I'm shooting, and you can kind of see my style. So I absolutely love doing that and showing you guys, and also get that kind of model photographer perspective, which is really cool. I do think the biggest thing is too, and everyone has told me this, if you want to get better, you have to practice. So honestly, I was going out there with my Nikon D3300 and my 150mm lens and just taking pictures. I was asking my sister, asking some friends, anyone that I can get in front of my camera to learn the settings and get off of automatic. It's very important to get in manual mode and really push yourself and really learn your camera. That's really key. Practice makes perfect, and learn your camera. Currently, I absolutely love doing portraits, lifestyle. I love being outdoors. Thankfully, it's starting to get a little bit warmer, so I'm able to shoot outside a lot more. I also love doing beauty headshots. You're going to see a lot of behind the scenes of the photo shoots, some of my techniques in Lightroom and Photoshop, some of my product reviews. Again, I'm just starting. I honestly only have this one camera here right now, the Nikon D750 with just one lens, the 15mm 1.8. My old camera, the Nikon D3300, that's what I'm recording right now. I just have that with the kit lens on that, and that's what I use to record. So all I take on my photo shoots is honestly, it's just this. Sometimes I'll take my speed light, but honestly, I've been really enjoying doing natural light, and it's so convenient and it's so easy, and all you need to bring is your camera and yourself and a fully charged battery. So now that I think of it, I think it's kind of important. I probably should get a second battery because I only have one, and if that one dies, I'm going to be out of luck. That'd be kind of embarrassing, so I really should get a second battery. Again, I'm a total beginner. All I have is this one camera, one lens. I know obviously there's so many lenses out there, but I've been able to do everything that I possibly want with this 15mm 1.8 lens. So again, as a beginner, you don't need to have so much equipment. A lot of it is just using your artistic side and finding the niche that you like and just running with it. And do it obviously because you love it. I absolutely love photography. I love capturing that moment. I love taking pictures. I love creating, and I love being able to share my artistic side using photography. I'm really excited to start this YouTube channel and really give you guys the novice beginner side of a photographer. There's so many photographers out there that have so much more knowledge than I do, but I feel like it's a good perspective to kind of get it from my side, where I've only been shooting for a couple months, to get that from the beginner standpoint. There's so much to learn, there's so many products, there's so many lenses, there's so many different styles. A lot of it's kind of finding what you absolutely love. And for right now, I absolutely love doing portraits using natural light, and every once in a blue moon, I do have a speed light that I use, but a lot of times I do that for a beauty headshot. I'll start using it for that. Even if it's a super cloudy day, which in one of my videos of behind the scenes, it was so dark outside, but I still did natural light and the pictures came out amazing. A lot of it's just using your artistic side, practicing, getting on manual mode, and learning your camera, and I really hope that's what this channel is going to provide for you. I'm going to be posting a new video every 2 weeks, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned for all those videos.